Fisher's Marina, and if you're seeing this, Josh is like folding this up. Josh, what did I just see you do?
So this is a bar boat that folds down into a rear lounger. So just press the button, release the latch, we fold this side here, and we fold this side here, and then the backrest flips forward, and you have a full rear lounger. Full rear lounger.
Now, interestingly enough, let's flip that back up into a bar. So we have lighted cup holders, so I can find where my beverage is.
Yes, it comes with 4 bar stools, so you just pull the bar stool out.
All right, this is cool.
Into the pocket.
Look at that, look at that. Now you can scroll around, you can look at what you want to look at here. Don't look at me, I'm the ugly part. Josh is the beautiful part. He's the fan of white of the show here. So he's showing us the bar here, but Josh, why don't you come around and show us what else is in this boat?
So
I'm going to get out of the way here.
So the console's a raised platform, so when you're sitting here as the driver, you see over the passenger sitting in front of you. There's plenty of leg room here. As we come up into the front of the boat,
just walk up here and see what they got.
Loungers, large enough to stretch out, cup holders, USB charging ports in the back of all those.
Gotta have that so you can have your phone charged up while you're hanging out. So this
under seat lighting and throughout the boat.
I love that. I love that. You can see how you can, even at nighttime, you'd be able to see without tripping on anything.
You wouldn't be tripping over any bags or anything.
Stowaways.
Get your skis out of the way, wakeboard, stuff like that.
Look at that. Everything's available in here.
This
now,
is the L model from Sylvan.
And this is comes with this top and the motor that would be on this.
Yamaha.
Okay.
Tri-tube.
Now I see a peg on the back rack back there. Is that for skiing?
So this is a ski tow bar. So you put your ski ropes up here.
In case you can't hear him, that's a ski tow bar.
Ski tow bar right here.
Uh-huh.
And then we did do dual boarding ladders. So when you get in and out, you got 2 ladders to get out of the boat. Dual gates on each side.
Right. Look at that.
And above you is a sun sail that can be installed on the boat.
You gotta scroll up and look at that. That's pretty cool.
So that you can get the bar area and the lounger out of the sun.
So these fold back in when you're out riding.
Pull
okay,
down,
take it down.
Unclip it off, stow this away when you're cruising down the lake. Can be deployed in under 5 minutes.
But your bimini top stays up the entire time.
The entire time, and it is all power. You fold it up and down just by pressing.
So it can also fold up and down as well.
Yes.
So when you're cruising along, if you want to be on the lake and enjoying yourself, I'm seeing some holes here that I'm assuming are for the seats.
Comes with a total of 4 bar stools. These move throughout the boat and they store on this side, so you got to walk through right here.
Wow. So if you want to, just scroll around and look inside of here. Josh, go ahead and wave and smile to him and tell us.
Thank you.
You're here until Sunday at the Ohio RV and Boat Show. After the show's over, how can they get a hold of you?
You can call us at 740-467-2905, or you can check us out on our website or any of our social media feeds. And we will be having an open house during Winterfest.
Okay, during Winterfest, which if you don't know, Winterfest at Buckeye Lake is the quintessential event to get you rid of all of your winter blues. Because we go out there and we try to see if Benny the bass
We'll eat the minnow and see if spring comes early.
Spring will be right around the corner if he eats the minnow.
Yes.
Okay, and if he doesn't, we got another 6 weeks.
Yep.
Now, so no groundhog needed here. We got Benny the bass. So this would be a great thing to have out on the lake to be able to relax. But if they can't, what's the website? Fisher's Marina?
Fishersmarina.com or fishersmarina.net.
Got it. So you can go in there and check him out, and you follow him on Facebook because he's very active on Facebook and Instagram, and we love to see how he's been posting a bunch of stuff about the show, about some of these things. But after the show, that's the best way to get a hold of Josh. Josh is the owner of Fisher's Marina, and he can make all the things happen for you. If you can see around, you can kind of pan around the whole show here. There's a lot of things here, and well, we're going to be ready to help you out all spring and all summer, aren't we? All right.
Full service.
Josh Fisher, ladies and gentlemen. Pan over and look at the beautiful guy, not me. There he is. All right, see you guys soon.